Researchers in Israel launched clinical trials to test CBD as a form of treatment for COVID-19. And one company is exploring what it will take to create the perfect high. This is Lo with Very Heal, keeping you up to date with the latest in cannabis news. In previous research that was conducted after the SARS outbreak in 2002, it was discovered that a certain formula of terpenes could help reduce the severity of illness. These terpenes are able to do so by stalling RNA replication within the virus that helps prevent further infiltration into healthy cells. Next, one company is exploring what it takes to create the perfect high. As cannabis has become increasingly popular, consumers desire consistency in their cannabis products. This also includes in the way it makes them feel. But this can prove to be very difficult as cannabis is a very complex and diverse plant. INSA, a Massachusetts-based cannabis company, is changing the game by using terpenes found in cannabis to modulate user experience. Does this mean that one day consumers can buy designer cannabis products? Stay tuned and maybe we'll find out. In other news, the pandemic has brought to light some of the damages done by cannabis prohibition. Many are serving their sentences for non-violent cannabis crimes as the coronavirus sweeps through prisons across the U.S. Ganjapreneur has recently stated that there are more than 40,000 prisoners locked up for cannabis infractions, despite that it's becoming legal around the world. It's incredibly unfair that some sit in jail for a plant, meanwhile others are legally making profits for doing the same exact thing. And then to top it off, are now facing a possible death sentence because of the virus. And lastly, speaking of cannabis crimes, Santa Clara County in California is expunging 11.5 thousand cannabis convictions this week. The presiding judge has stated that they hope that this process will provide a sense of closure for those individuals. This move does not include felony offenses with factors such as the use or possession of firearms, child endangerment, or environmental destruction. The expungements are expected to be carried out this week. Go ahead and like this video and be sure to follow us at Very Heal to stay up to date with the latest in cannabis news. This is Lo, signing out.